Okay, guys, what exactly is matter? How do scientists define matter? Tess?
Matter is a material that has mass and takes up some amount of space.
So anything that has mass and takes up space is matter.
Yes.
Okay, well then, what is mass? What is mass, Kendall?
The amount of matter that's in an object.
So the amount of matter in an object is mass. So if it has a lot of matter in it, then it has a larger mass. If it has a little bit of matter in it, it has a smaller mass. Okay. Anybody know how we measure mass? What we measure mass with? Callie?
You use a balance scale to measure mass.
Very good. You use a balance scale to measure mass. And what unit do we, if we measure something and we say that it's 14, Ave?
Grams or kilograms.
Grams or kilograms. Very good. Nice job. Okay, so let's go back to matter. Matter has mass and takes up space. What is that property? What do we call that? How much space that matter takes up? Elizabeth?
Volume.
The volume of an object. Very good. And Elizabeth, do you remember how we measure the volume of an object?
With a graduated cylinder?
Yes, a graduated cylinder is one way, especially with liquids, a really easy way to measure the volume of an object. And who knows the unit of measure that we use? If we measure the volume of a liquid, we say that it is maybe 12, what, Grace?
Milliliters.
Milliliters. Very good. Milliliters or liters. Nice job. Okay. So, what is another measurable property of matter? What's another property of matter that we can actually measure, and we have a tool that we can measure it with? Joseph?
Graduated cylinder?
No, that's a tool we use, but that measures volume. What's something else you can measure about an object? Joseph, I wanted to know about the matter that makes up your body, and I wanted to know if you were getting temperature. I could take temperature right. And what do we take temperature with? Who knows what we take temperature with? Joseph?
The weather?
No, we do take the temperature outside for the weather. That's right. But what's the tool we use? What do I use if I want to take your temperature?
The thermometer.
Thermometer, that's right. Good job. Thermometer. Anybody else know another measurable property of matter? Another measurable property of matter? Caroline?
The size and length.
Yeah, right. The size. So we can measure the length or the width to tell us what the size of matter is. Very good. And what would you normally use to measure that?
A ruler.
A ruler. Very good.
Sometimes a little fold-out thingy.
Tape measure? Yeah, sometimes a tape measure. Very good. And what unit of measure do we use? So if I measured how long Ellie's pencil was, and I would say that it is maybe 8, what, Grace?
Centimeters?
Centimeters. Very good. Centimeters. Nice job. Okay, so we've talked about how scientists experiment and they observe matter and they try to figure things out about matter, and they describe it. What do they describe matter by? What do they describe matter by? Scientists describe matter by its, what, Caden?
Properties.
Properties. Very good. Scientists describe matter by properties. So why? Why do scientists care about the properties of matter? Why do they need to know more about the properties of matter? Chase?
Because if they don't know what happens with it, if you if you don't know what it does and you use it, it could be something bad or it could be something good.
Right. They want to know what the best use for it is, right? And they don't want to use it in the wrong way because, what good is that? So they want to find the best use for matter. Good job, Chase. Anybody have any questions about matter? Okay, I'm going to ask you a few things. So tell me, I just want to hear a yes or no. Yes, does it matter, or no, does it not matter? Okay. What about an apple?
Yes.
What about a desk?
Yes.
What about me?
Yes.
What about electricity?
No.
Ooh, good. I tried to trick you. I'm so proud. What about a sign?
Yes.
What about a balloon?
Yes.
What about air?
Yes.
That's right. Gosh, y'all are too smart for me. I can't trick you. I was trying. Air still has mass and it takes up space, so we know it's still matter, right? Good job, guys.
This is the ruler. We use it to measure the length of an object.
This scissors is about 14 centimeters.
This is a thermometer and we use it to measure temperature. This thermometer is about 8 degrees Celsius. This is a balance scale that helps us measure mass. This is a clothespin and it weighs about 3 grams. This is a graduated cylinder. We use it to measure the volume of a liquid.
This graduated cylinder has about 56 milliliters.